Can the U.S. ever become a high-trust society? A high-trust society is one where interpersonal trust is strong and ethical values are widely shared. In such societies, people can leave their belongings in public without fear of theft, and parents feel safe letting their children explore alone. Examples include Japan and the Scandinavian countries. The U.S. however, is a low-trust society. According to the latest General Social Survey from the University of Chicago, only 1 in 4 Americans believe most people can be trusted. A major factor in this distrust is how American infrastructure is designed. Public spaces have steadily disappeared, while sprawling, car-dependent suburbs dominate the landscape. Public transportation and facilities continue to decline, forcing Americans to rely on private transportation and reducing opportunities for social interaction. This weakens community bonds and erodes trust. Reversing this trend requires rethinking infrastructure. Incentivizing denser, more walkable development can foster stronger communities. A land value tax could be a powerful tool in achieving this transformation.